Hey guys, in this guide, I will show you how to download and install Opera on your Mac. Let's get started. Opera is a lightweight and efficient browser that offers fast browsing and data-saving features. Here's how to install it. Start by opening a browser already installed on your Mac. By default, this will be Safari. Open Safari by clicking on its icon. In Safari, go to the address bar or a search engine and type Opera. Look for the official Opera website in the results. Click on the link that says opera.com or something similar. On the Opera page, you'll see a Download Opera button at the top or in the middle of the screen. Click it and the website will automatically detect that you're using a Mac and start downloading the installation file. Once the download starts, you'll see a file called Opera Installer in your downloads. You can check the Downloads icon in the top right of your browser, or open the Downloads folder in Finder. When the download is complete, locate and double-click the installer file to open it. A pop-up will appear with the message, "Opera Installer is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it?" Click Open to proceed. The Opera Installer window will open. Click Accept and Install to begin the installation. The setup process will take a few moments as Opera downloads the necessary packages and completes the installation. Once finished, close the installer. To open Opera, click the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of your Mac, Spotlight Search, and type Opera. Alternatively, open Launchpad and locate Opera. Click the Opera icon to launch it. Now you can customize your browser settings or log into your Opera account to sync data. If you prefer, you can skip these steps to start browsing immediately. And that's it. Opera is now installed and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.